If CapCut is installed on your computer, you can easily open it from the search menu or start menu. Let's see how we can open it. At first, we need to click this start menu or search box, anything is fine, and then we'll find this type of text field where we can type something. We just need to click here and start typing CapCut. And if we start typing cap, we'll see related search item is there. So here we are seeing CapCut app is there. If our computer has already installed CapCut, then only we'll able to see this thing. And to open this, we just need to click here, and very shortly CapCut will be opened. At the time of opening, it will take few seconds, so don't panic. You have to wait till it loads everything. Sometimes it will give us to update the version. We can update it or we can skip it based on our own preference, but here it is not showing as it is up to date on my computer. And that's it. In this way we can easily open CapCut on your computer.